We are going to be getting my shit together. Day 1, I'm gonna declutter. Donated and done. So then day 2, tomorrow, I'm going to clean and organize. Now it's time to do the cleaning portion of this spring reset. So I have, again, just a couple focused areas that I'm going to work on. The kitchen, bathrooms, there was something else. Kitchen's, bathroom, and then I wanted to do a bit more of organizing in the guest room, as well as I have some organizing of some very important papers that I might not include on this video. Sorry guys. But I'm going to also set a stopwatch for this cleaning, because I feel like something with me and cleaning that happens is I get a really bad mental block that I'm like, oh, it's gonna take forever, it's gonna take so long, and it never takes as long as my mind thinks it does. So maybe if I set a stopwatch and see how long, or maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll set a 30-minute timer, see how much I actually get done in each space in 30 minutes, because I really think I'll probably get most, if not all of it done in 30 minutes. So that'll also like help me for future times to be like, hey, remember when it only took you 30 minutes to clean? So you should just get to it. I'm definitely very low energy today, so that was also the other hard part. I'm wearing a full-on growl fit, gray on gray, guys, really styling it up for you today. Don't judge, but we're gonna put the headphones back on and let's just get into the zone. So if you need to get into the zone, let's hit it. Okay, kitchen is clean. That feels so good. It took me an hour, maybe an hour and a half, because I did some things in the dining room as well, but all of my counters are clean. Just feels so good to have a nice clean kitchen. All right, so I'm back in my guest room, and I just want to do a little more organizing of some of the stuff that's on the shelves in these closets. What I really want to do is just put some of the stuff that I know I'm not wearing, but I, again, am not quite ready to part with, away, and then make some of the stuff that are like my maybes a little more accessible, and like one of those things where it's not like if you pull a t-shirt out everything tumbles down. That was definitely a monstrosity before I started this, and it's been feeling so good to get organized and clean. And then after this we'll hit the bathroom. This was my main task for today, so once I'm done with the bathroom I'm gonna take a shower and relax, maybe do some of the lighter paper organization that I have to do, like filing important documents. Like I said, don't really want to share that with you guys, no offense, but you don't need to see my personal papers. This is just some underbed storage, so I'm gonna pack up some of this stuff into here. All right, on to the bathroom. First things first, I got a new laundry basket that just so happens to fit perfectly in here, because our bathroom is not that big. It's very functional, but it doesn't have any space for a laundry basket until now. This fits in here. It's a little bit of a squeeze, but since it's plastic, it's fine. And that way we can just like have a laundry chute, which is great. We haven't had one. And I thought I was gonna have to move the shelves, but I don't. A win is a win. A win is a win.
A win is a win. Alright.
Let's clean. So I got some extra gloves because every time that I clean the bathroom, my hands feel disgusting and I feel like I immediately have to take 6 showers. 6 showers. And I'm still going to shower after all of this because I have been sweating a little bit, and I just think it's normal to shower after you clean the bathroom. But this way my hands don't feel so grimy. So highly recommend cleaning gloves for kitchen, bathroom, anytime your hands have to get kind of wet. This is the mess we're working with, along with this mess. So guys so much for watching. I hope that this was enjoyable. I hope it was inspiring. I also hope it was very realistic. Like, I was trying not to hide too much of my crazy mess that I've got going on in my house. Try and make it look really realistic into what my house looks like when when I'm not constantly on top of my shit, and when I haven't done a reset in quite a while, because like I said, I kind of do these every so often. This was a much more deliberate process than I think I even usually do. Sometimes I try and cram it into one day, and then by the end I'm crying. So I really like that I chunk this out. But again, if you guys like this type of video, be sure to hit that like and follow button, and I will see you guys in the next part of this video series. Thanks so much. Bye!